Hello everyone, welcome to Tech of the Day. Today I'm going to talk about this channel. Why did I start it? Who am I? So first question, who am I? A magic man. Well, not really. I'm a simple guy with a smile on his face, not always. This is just for the photo. But seriously, I'm a .NET developer by profession and serious in my development, and I would like to share my knowledge, but at the same time I'm really enthusiastic about technology, and I want to talk about technology with all of you guys. So I started this channel. What we do in this channel, we talk about robbery, fraud and lie. So this is what we do: robbery, fraud and lie. Well, not really, but also we talk about latest technologies. So what are the latest technologies, what will be the top technologies in 2020 or 2021? What is the future of machine learning or artificial intelligence, like that? And we will learn new technologies there. I will help you, or we will get together, get new certifications. Like I have already started Azure certification videos. So I did first I did AZ 900 Azure fundamentals. Second I did AZ 203 or AZ 204, and I will continue doing that. And I will talk about .NET Core, C#. I will do hands-on practical knowledge. Actually, I will solve some practical problems, real-life problems. Actually, I will also take your suggestions, what you want to do. I will also do some applications from scratch using .NET Core, C#, Angular, Vue.js, Azure Cloud. So all the new things I will do from scratch. So this channel will help everyone who has some basic knowledge or who is advanced, and we will learn together. So please like, share and subscribe, and explore my channel if you find something interesting. It's enough of listening. Hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye. Till then, have a nice day and stay safe from